ponies. We have to come back.
Take a picture of me eating.
Alright, guys, we're recording.
Oh, Duck Duck, we've returned.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
Yeah, I'll put that for a truck yet.
Honk.
Yes, the opening door like the wings.
I know what to make of that.
He usually charges the truck by now.
That's because they've got the back doors open. Here he comes, here he comes. Here we go. Ducky, okay. Dear. Jesus.
You're gonna get 2 minutes of dead air time before he gets out.
Oh no, this is the fun part.
That's the Dan to antagonize. And turn his back on him.
Not smart turning your back on that bird.
Kick the truck, Dan, and do it.
Yeah, there you go.
Should I tell him to? That's it, Dan. Poke him with a stick.
No, he grabs onto his beak and you can lead him anywhere.
I think I'm thinking about it. He's like, oh, he's unarmed now.